What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Trading on the Robinhood stock trading app. In today's episode, we're going to go over the growth of my portfolio. But first, let me just talk to you guys for a minute. I'd like to say sorry for not having good content for this week. Unfortunately, with my job, was not able to sell stock a certain day, meaning that I wasn't able to buy another stock that day to sell for the following day. And then with my purchase that I did end up making the following day, it hasn't changed much. It's been in the same spot for the last couple of days. So there's not really much to report on today. I'll still show you everything. I'll show you the numbers, but there's not really much to show. I'd like to say thank you guys for continue watching. This week has been definitely a strange one for me. The previous weeks I've had time to kind of look at the phone and make a trade here and there throughout the day, maybe make a good buy, but just this week in particular, I have not been able to look at the phone as often as I wish I could have. Looking back at the day, there was definitely moves that I would have made if I had the availability of using the phone, but it just did not work out that way. Hoping for tomorrow, we will be able to sell the stock that we have today that you'll see, and maybe make a couple of day trades happen tomorrow. Because if you remember, yesterday we received one day trade that we can do, and tomorrow we should receive another two. So potentially could make a decent dollar tomorrow in just a bunch of day trades that might make up for the lack of content for the last couple of days. If the play isn't there, I'm not gonna make a stupid move just for content. I'll make risks, but it'll be educated guesses as well. So I hope you guys still stay and want the daily updates. I definitely enjoy doing them. It's nice where, I come home from my real job and I can show you guys what I maybe little or a lot that I did throughout the day. So I definitely appreciate you guys watching. We're gonna set a goal for next week to profit $100. I know it's only Thursday today, but tomorrow I can only buy and sell, the one stock that I had, and then a couple day trades. But next week, we're past this week. This week in my mind is done. So thinking about next week, we're hoping to hit $100 in the week. Of course, not going the red, but definitely hoping for at least $100. We might pass it. We might do that in the first day, but we're just going to set small goals. And if you guys have any info on any stocks that you want to suggest, I'm definitely up for the suggestions. As you guys still remember, I still have growportfolio giving me the daily plays in the morning. If you would like, use their Instagram, go to their Instagram page and use the code HUNTER10 for 10% off of their Telegram chat. It sends out swing trades, options, anything that can help out a day trader. But on top of having them, I definitely like having suggestions from other people. If someone else knows something that they might not know, their plays have all paid out. Sometimes when they send the plays, again, I'm at work, so I don't have enough time to buy a share at a price or make a sale or a sell or anything like that. So sometimes I might, miss the catch, which is what happened this week, unfortunately, with storm prep, storm activities, and storm cleanup with my job. Like I said, I do stuff when it comes to storms and weather and roads being destroyed and trees falling down. I do stuff in that field. So this week with the hurricane that came through New Jersey, that's what happened with me. So not a good week in the stocks. Very good. Sorry about that, guys. It cut off. So not a good week in the stocks. I think we're up like $44, I believe. Again, not a good week in stocks. Very good week for my regular job with overtime and my regular hours and whatnot, which is great. But I really can't advertise that with you guys, so you don't really get to see any of those numbers. If all goes well with the stocks, I might be putting another 1,000 in. If we get this next stimulus check, might put that in. Money is no option with me, guys. If you haven't noticed, I wear a different watch every single episode, and these Invictas are not cheap. So these there's no issue with money. If you guys said you want to see $10,000 be put in an account, absolutely, that's fine with me. If that's the content you want to see, if you would like to see $100,000 put into the account, I have no problem with that. We can definitely put that in. Money is no object with me. This initial investment, if you guys remember, I originally put only $100 in, and then was doing all right, but I wanted to make another trade, so I put another 100, and then I wanted to make another trade, and I put another 100. So I put 300 in 3 different days to make a couple plays, and then I realized, with $300 I can make some stuff happen, but I'd be able to make a lot more different purchases and plays with $1,000. So that's what we did. Actually, we put $900 in, and I believe we made $100 worth. So 900 my own money, 100 of stock profit that went right back in. Hoping for another $100 next week. Our numbers have been pretty good, guys. We've had times where I've bought a stock earlier in the day, and it's been up, $40-50, but I can't sell it because of Robinhood's, hold for one day policy type things. So you can't do pattern trades. At the start of next week, if I don't sell any day trades tomorrow, I'll have the whole 5 day trades that I can make. So we might be able to make something happen early Monday, or maybe even throughout the week. We might be buying or selling puts and calls. I'm definitely interested in doing that. Maybe I'll keep 1,000 for just stocks, and 1,000 put towards puts and calls. But it's all up to you guys. Whatever you want, let me know. We can make something happen. Again, money is no object. If you guys want another $1,000 in there, let me know. $10,000, let me know. If you want $100,000 into the account, just let me know, guys. Again, money is no object. We have unlimited funds for the amount of content that we are going to produce on this channel. While I have you all here and everyone's still watching, gaming video. Alright, sorry about that again. Cut off. About the gaming videos. So we have, today's Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. I'm working overtime tomorrow, so I will not probably produce the content early as today. Saturday, I work overtime like 6 o'clock till 4 o'clock. So, if I do a gaming video that day, it will not be a full gameplay. It might just be a couple hours of something. And then Sunday, I don't have anything planned. So, we might be able to play the 3rd game of Spyro. I believe that is the Year of the Dragon. Again, we're going to go 100%. All gems, all dragon eggs, and all that jazz. If you guys want, pop up. If I had to give an estimate time, I'm saying maybe around 8, 9, 10, somewhere in that area, because the game is probably going to take me 12 hours to beat. So I'll be spending 12 hours in front of the camera for you guys. If you want to come check it out, definitely hop on. If you just want to hop on just to drop a comment, say whatever. If you only have 15 minutes to watch, come and join. Tell your friends. like, comment, subscribe, all the whole 9 yards. If you guys remember last time, we had 5 people that watched consistently throughout the whole video, and I believe we had maybe about 30 to 40 people that came and went throughout the. Alright, cut off again. So quickly, we had maybe 30-40 people that were coming and going throughout the video. Maybe we can up those numbers. Maybe we can get 10 people to stay consistently throughout the whole video, and have maybe 50, 60, 70 people come and go throughout the video. Again, thank you all for watching content. Sorry for not so great content this week, number-wise at least. No big buys or sells. Hoping for a better week next week. Again, thank you for Grow Portfolio's Instagram, or giving me the Telegram chat. If you guys want it, go to Grow Portfolio's Instagram page at Grow Portfolio. Send them a DM using code 110 for 10% off. Send a handful of plays every single morning. Swing trades, options, anything that can help out a day trader, guys. Let's get right into the video. Alright, guys. Let's get right into the video. As you can see, $977.31 in the portfolio. If we look at yesterday, we were rocking in this 980, 985, 1,000, 1,007 range, which is very unfortunate that we could be $30 down right now. If you remember, we had to hold SRNE until today before we can sell it, so that's why we did not make a sell yesterday. Average price $13.58, closing price of today $13.49. So we are $9 in the hole. Definitely promising spots throughout the day. $1.69 at one point. Today's high $13.90. As you can, if you can see, where is it? No, it's been deleted. I set my limit price for $13.99. And unfortunately, it just never hit that point. Like I was saying in the previous video, or the face cam, was just hoping to sell for a profit. I was at work today, of course, and was not accessing my phone, so these times that it did hit the $1.90 or the $13.90, wherever that may be, I wasn't near the phone, so I couldn't make the sale, and I had the limit price at $13.99. So even though it didn't hit my number, I could have saw it start to drop and then just sold for 10 cents below what I really wanted. Not the end of the world. We're not in the hole too bad. $6 right now. But if you look at the week, it's gone up, to that 60 range, or 70 range, 80, a whole dollar more. So I'm really not too worried about it. At this point with this company, guys, I would be willing to take a $10 to $15 profit just to get out. Not that I don't see this company not going anywhere, but I really don't like the price that I got in at $13.58. If you guys remember, it's not going to show it, of course. Yesterday dropped down to $12.50. If I had grabbed it at that price, we would be making about $1 a share right now. With 71 shares, we'd be sitting on $71, and I definitely would have sold that at some point today. I would have set my my limit price for probably $13.70. Just knowing that I would have I profited $1.20 per share, I would have been definitely satisfied with that. And by the looks of it, I would have hit the $13.70 for the mark. What else can I say about this? Yeah, nothing else. Yeah. Current limit price would put me at a profit of $30 just about, which I'd definitely be happy with. Let's go back to this. Forward up 23 cents. Not like it really matters, just holding it for the dividend. If we go back to my other stocks that I usually keep a watch at, you guys know I love TXMD. It's been rocking in the $1.60 range all day today. So, after hours, $1.66. On the higher side of the day, $1.74. Open today, $1.82 of some sort. And if we look back at yesterday, was in 204 range. Potential 40-cent increase for tomorrow if I were to hop in on this. Ever since I've been watching the stock, it's never gone below that $1.40 range. Is actually as low as it's ever been. So I'd look. So as in the month, $1.40. If we go back 3 months to June, that's the last time it dropped below $1.40. So definitely look into hopping on that. What else were we looking at? GoPro is down, guys. 524 right now. Even if we look in this 550 range, I'd definitely enjoy a sell at 25 cents per share, $5, $5.24 a share. We're looking at about 200 shares at that price. So 25 cents a share on 200 shares. We're looking at a crisp $50 bill right there. What else? HL. I said I wanted to get on this. Good thing I didn't get in, because I would have been, it would have been good. I would have been a little nervous right here, though. After this big drop, and then a second drop to down to 630, I definitely would not have been enjoying that so much. And to be honest, if we had bought 654, I probably would be looking to sell at 670. But who knows? I might not have been on my phone, and then when I saw it at this price, I might have sold, just hoping not to go into a loss. So maybe it's better that I did not see this. 36% people are saying buy, 55% are saying hold, 9% are saying sell. And there's one more. Where is it? Oh, here it is. DFFN. I was hoping to catch this yesterday in that $1.10 range at some point. Definitely would have been pretty stressful today. Not doing too well with going up or down. Besides here, the spike at the beginning of the day went up 7 cents per share. We would have had about 900 shares worth, so it would have been a pretty decent day, but it didn't happen. What else are we looking at, guys? We were looking at this guy, GNUS. Saw this yesterday, kind of in this, what was it, like $1.60, $1.65 range. If we look at today, it dumped up to $1.74. But good thing we did not, because it definitely plummeted to not so good numbers. So definitely good we didn't do that. And I believe that's it we have to say for today, guys. So on the day, we're ending it at $978.02, down $12.44 on the day. After hours, we're down $7.83. In the week, we're up 44.24. In the month, we're up 77.02. And of course, the 3 month, the year, and all, we are the same there. If we look at the all, we're making decent progress. Some days were definitely better than others, and we're making it happen, guys. I hope you had a great day, but a better tomorrow.